The final seconds of my last video were cut off. I hit my time limit, so this next video is just the conclusion slide. I believe I left off how this whole case study was just eye-opening in addition to this entire course, because you have this trust in some of your colleagues and your PTO organization and volunteers, and like scenarios just like this where a small little moment can be taken advantage of because of one miscommunication, or simply just like Mrs. Bowman, where she just is asking for something to help sponsor this trip to New York for her daughter, and the school just can't do it. And Mr. Stevens he's just as sorry that he can't do it, but there's reasoning for it. So, like I said, it was very eye opening, and it was good to know specifically like how he reacted. I always am interested in case studies and how what the specifics are. I like the real world scenarios where this is what happened. This is exactly what the admin or the teachers did to kind of combat this. So it was very interesting to look at it from both points of view. So that concludes Module 16. Thank you for watching.